To the Philippines next, where a court has sentenced former Bamban Mayor Alice Guo to life imprisonment after convicting her in a qualified trafficking case linked to scam operations in her district.
A Philippine court has sentenced a former mayor to life in prison for human trafficking. Alice Guo was convicted for her role in setting up a scam center in which hundreds of foreigners were working under threat.
The Bureau of Corrections, or BUCOR, is ready to receive former Bamban Mayor Alice Guo at the Correctional Institution for Women.
A justice has been served. The conviction of Alice Guo, aka Guo Huaping, is a victory against corruption, human trafficking, cybercrime, and many other transnational crimes.
Sino po ang nag-urge sa inyo? Sino po ang nag-engganyo kayo, nag-inspire sa inyo na tumakbo bilang mayor ng Banban?
Sarili ko po. Childhood dream ko po.
Childhood dream?
Opo. Gusto ko po na mapakita sa tatay ko at gusto ko po maging proud po siya sa akin.
Ito si Mayor Calugay, naka-suit ang t-shirt mo, Alice Guo.
Marami pa yung t-shirt niya, more than 20,000 po yan.
Binigyan mo siya?
Baka meron po siya.
Binigyan mo siya
more than 20,000 pieces po yung t-shirt.
Oh, mukhang yung magkakatabi kayo, mukhang mainit ang pagtitinginan ninyong dalawa. Oh.
Miss Alice, saan ka sumakay at anong naging rota mo?
Sen, kung isusulat ko po, okay lang po ba na hindi nyo po i-discuss po sa public?
Miss Alice, please do not tell the senators what to do with the information na halos kailangang bunutin namin sa inyo na parang ngipin.
Opo, pero
write
Sen,
it on the paper.
po kasi ako.
Write it on the paper at i-appreciate namin pag nabasa na namin. Unbelievable. Yung ibang witnesses kailangan sumagot verbally.
So, ang biological mom mo ay dating yung kasambahay.
Opo, Ma'am Karen.
Bakit hindi mo to sinabi sa Senado nung tinanong ka?
Hindi po kaya, Ma'am Karen. Medyo para sa akin po, masyado po siyang private po. Para sa akin po, hindi ko po siya kayang sabihin po sa tao na iniwanan po ako ng sariling ko pong ina.